Alright, ammo test number 2. Today we got the AAC 5.56 75 grain Sabre Blade Black Tip. Ooh. So, it looks like it's got a sweet little black tip on the there it is, projectile there. I've shot these before. Did a post a little while ago about their accuracy. These are geared towards self-defense ammunition, so I have a test set up for something more geared towards that versus a precision test. So we're gonna be shooting these Sabre Black Tips out of this 16-inch AR here, and these are the targets. Because, you know, we're classy around here, and in favor of 4th of July, might as well do the redneck thing. And honestly, I'm a little hungry, so I plan on tasting up some of this melon, whatever's left. Anyways. 1 round, 75 grain, black tip. She explodes good. Best way I can describe it. This one I laid horizontal so that, I don't know, it might change the way it explodes, or we're gonna see. It still exploded. One more melon to go. Last melon, and I wanted to showcase how I would use these rounds, and that would be finding yourself at the business end of my rifle in my house without my permission. So let's use how it's intended to be used. So, final thoughts on the ammo. I mean, it shoots good, it feeds, I didn't have any problems. They obviously make watermelons explode pretty well. I'd like to shoot them at other things and see how they handle metal. You know, if I'm thinking about the practical application of the ammunition and what I would be using it for, if I need to be shooting that ammo, then it's going to be having to deal with a lot more than just watermelons. So, would I replace my current ammunition that I have for all of my ARs? I don't know. Maybe. It's tempting. I'll put it that way. It's tempting. But so anyways, I don't know. Go pick some up for yourself. It's pretty affordable. I got the stuff for about $10 a box. And, yeah, shoot it. Let me know what you think. Thanks.